mine turned off.
Get a bit of the old Strava on there and
Good morning from Paris. We did not sleep enough. We've probably had like 6 hours kip. And I've come outside and it is so nice. It's so much cooler. Well, I think it's not going to get as hot today. So we're riding around 140k to Rouen. I probably butchered the saying of that, pronunciation of it, but we're going to head there and just have a little tootle round for the day. Oh, go on. The route has been pretty hectic. We're on like a gravel road for a bit, and then we've realised, I don't know why, we don't really have a lot of time to get to our Airbnb. We need to be there for 5, and I just think we're just a lot slower, and we've had headwind all the way, so we're just like, right, last stop, and then we're just gonna smash-a-roo it back. Where are the golf balls? Oh yeah. Look at this for a view. Ooh.
oh, they're horrific, aren't they?
They're creepy. Oh,
see, that's where the hangings would go. Chop the heads off down there.
You can go both again. So I can choose to use.
I think the blues clash a little bit, if I'm honest.
I like them.
Wishes can lent me shorts, so they don't have any shorts. And he's found some jeans in the Airbnb that we're staying at, and he's wearing them.
Wow.
Oh yeah, looking good. Oh. So we got to our Airbnb. Look at this. So we are in this building, and then that is our beautiful view. So just having a little wander around. Got back and just ate loads of food. But oh, the headwind was. How bad was the headwind?
It was bad.
It was real bad.
Yeah, but it wasn't as hot.
But it wasn't as hot, so we were all good. What?
You like those things, don't you?
I hope you enjoyed me falling over in. Was it? It would have been the last video.
Way to go.
Huh?
At each intersection, we take it in turns to decide which way to go.
Okay.
So we get down here. Rich, you start left to
Turn à
right.
gauche, turn à droite.
Oh!
Come again?
A little bit of French. Yeah, look
Told
at
you I
you.
speak the French.
Is it because you've got the French jeans on now?
Yeah, now I've got the jeans on, I can speak all the lingo.
Look at that. So we're in Paris. I really did not like Paris. This place though is like perfect. Don't go to Paris, go to, how do you say the pronunciation of this again? Rouen. Rouen. How long is that going to go off for? Good morning, good morning. Oh my god, we slept for 10 hours, had the nicest sleep. Woken up, weather's nice, and now basically it's the last day because we're going to make our way back to Dieppe to get the ferry back. So we had initially planned 150k, but the headwind, it's just too much, so we're not going to do the full route, so we're going to probably do 100k. We're going to head up to the beach, up to the coast, do some coastal route, and then head back to Dieppe.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Un baguette? me to ride yoga.
The stinging nettles is move the pain.
Where did it sting you?
Area. Right under there.
Spit on it, it's got antibacterial. Yeah, spit on it. Oh god. I meant just like, oh god, I meant like put a bit of spit on your finger, not like
Why
gob
not?
on your leg.
Why put up my finger and mess my finger up? Just get it straight on there.
That is beautiful. I need a wee though, Greg. Yeah. Nice beach for a pebble beach. So we are at, I can't remember the name of the town we are, but we're basically heading back up towards Dieppe now. But look at the beach. There's all these beautiful... What's it called? Saint Valery Encore. So that's where we are. So yeah, we just had another baguette on the beach. God, we have eaten so many baguettes. And I don't ever eat wheat, so this is where the Tailwind should start, to be fair. Sun out of the sun. So yeah, the Tailwind hopefully is gonna just push us on back. This is a beautiful, beautiful beach. Like, I love all these cliffs.
When you walk around, I can feel them all moving under me. It's really weird.
Okay, I'll do like what they do in the spas.
You've got to align my chakras first.
Keep it quiet. Picture and send it to Sarah so she knows that you're getting on well.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's what's worth. You look quite good actually. I think I should open a spa. I was going to suggest that for your pocket.
Do you mind bringing it for me? Would you do that for me?
Oh, that is quite heavy. It's probably about as heavy as my camera. Let's even it out a bit and then we'll race up a hill.
Do you want me to put this on my bike and race you? What are you going to do when you lose again?
Put another one in there. I'll tell you what, you've given that bag so much hugs this trip.
Some epidural cinch training session after this.
It does not move though. Right, ready. Are we ready for the Tailwind?
After
See it when I believe.
400k of headwind, we've got 30k of tailwind.
Woohoo!
Let's do it.
We always take the wind for
Go and hop on. All three bikes.
Get all 3 bikes around it somehow, maybe.
I don't think we're all going to fit up there though.
I want to make. Let go.
Yeah.
Thanks. Come on. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Come on,
brilliant.
get on then. Look at us.
Oh!
Oh, look at us. You can't even tell that we're on a bale.
If I'm sneezing all night on the ferry, you'll know why.
And I'm gluten intolerant and there's lots of wheat. We got the Tailwind. I am so happy. I mean, it was fine before, but like getting a little bit of Tailwind and look at the coast. Coastal road all the way back to Dieppe now. So we are now back in Dieppe. We've got a couple of K to the port. And that's going to be the end of this trip. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. We're going to probably go get some food. I actually think this has been the best day out of all of them. Just for nice weather, nice route. Have a look on my Strava, it will be there. If you're ever in this area, or just come out and do it, because it is beautiful. We've got about 5k to get to Dieppe Port, and look at this view. Oh. Just as the sun is about to set. That is gorgeous. This is really pretty. Sushi. Waiting to get out. Movement and they're like automatic.
Oh, one.
Literally a knob.